I'm reaching out to you and making this video today as I receive hundreds, sometimes even 1,000 emails and inboxes, direct messages through different types of social media every week. At this point in my career, I've limited my medical practice. Of course, I'm always going to do some consultations, but I want to send the message to you that there's a way you can reach me now directly on the Anabolic Doc app. So this is a web application. You want to go to www.anabolicdocapp.com and you want to join the app. Every Tuesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we host a live Zoom meeting. Sometimes it goes up to 2 hours. It's absolutely amazing. Most of the men that are there, and it's exclusively men at this point, at this time, we're thinking about adding women in the future to different time slots. But for now, it's just focusing on men's health. Yes, most men that take part of the Zoom meetings are on PEDs or just testosterone, and they need more support from their healthcare providers that they're not receiving. That's why the app is here. The man-to-man meetings are held through Zoom. Most men are open and you could see their names and they have their videos on. You can be anonymous. You could change your name, have no name, make an alias, and you could turn your camera off and just listen. This venue, having meetings with an expert like myself, live with having men in a group, and we focus on all the questions. Everyone gets their questions answered by me. We go through everything. When a man asks a question, you know it's so relevant because there's going to be other men that share his question, from erectile dysfunction, from steroids that he's using, and it's completely uncensored. Completely uncensored. I own this app directly with my partner, Nate. We control it, and it's there for goodness, and it's uncensored, and it's there to help protect people. And I mean business. So men ask questions. Any question goes. And we talk about the truth and what I've seen, and I tell them in a non-medical format. It's information, because these are not patients, but it's uncensored. And we answer every man's question. Every man hears what's going on, and you know it's relevant because the question one man asked is shared by another man. And this is how we're growing this revolution. The app, of course, is $19.99 per month, and you could cancel at any time. Some men just come onto the app for a month, they ask their question at the meeting, and they back out. You also have tons of other information that's just provided, special media, never you're going to see on YouTube, just for the app itself, and we're adding to that all the time. For an example, I publish my own labs only on the app to show my cholesterol, my blood pressure, my medicines, of course, in addition to androgens that I'm on and in the past. It's uncensored, and you get to see firsthand exactly how I take care of this machine right here. I don't know of any other web application in the world that has a board-certified physician like myself in internal medicine that also brings to the table 20 years of clinical experience with men from professional down to the average man on androgens, including every pet in the world, and I've seen every medical catastrophe in the world. I want to protect you with the information. This is why we created the Anabolic Doc app. So get on it now, www.anabolicdocapp.com, and I'll see you in the Zoom man-to-man meetings.